Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming your device and plan support 5G. That's critical because changing settings won't add radio hardware. Once done, make sure your phone is charged and on a stable connection so updates and network swaps don't interrupt. Next, open Settings and go to Network or Connections. This is where you'll change preferred network type. Make sure you back up any custom APN details so you can restore if needed. These first actions prevent common setbacks. You now change the network mode. Navigate to Mobile Networks and choose Preferred Network Type. Pick 5G/4G/3G Auto or a 5G first option so the phone uses 5G when available but falls back to 4G otherwise. This balances speed and battery life. If you don't see 5G, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds and disable it to force a rescan. Make sure to check carrier-specific toggles. Some carriers place a 5G enable switch in their app or separate menu. Finish by verifying the 5G icon appears in your status bar and run a quick speed test to confirm improved throughput. This proves the switch worked. If you have no data after switching, make sure carrier settings and APN match your provider's values and install any pending system or carrier updates. If problems persist, contact your carrier for provisioning, and as a final step, consider a factory reset. But back up first, because that erases personal data and returns network settings to defaults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.